Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to install fonts on Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. Now I'm going to show you how to find fonts. You can go to any web browser. I'm going to use Google web browser for now. And then I'm going to type or search for free fonts. Press enter. And then you should see different free fonts online right here. And all you have to do is to click whatever you want to use. For example, I want to tap on this Google free fonts right here. Tap this one. It will take me directly to their site. And all I have to do now is to look for the specific font that I want to install on my laptop or my computer or my device. So for example, if you want this one right here, all you have to do is tap on Get Font. You should see that it's now starting to download. As you tap download, go back again, and then look for another font. So I will be downloading at least three fonts for this tutorial. So search for another one, double tap, and then you should see that Get Font. And then after that, you have to tap on Download. Now I'm going to look for the last font that I'm going to download. Tap Get Font, tap Download. And once done, go to your download folder and then unzip this file. So I'm going to look or go to my download folder right here. I have to look at this zip file and I have to unzip this one. In order to unzip, you just have to right click and then go and look for extract all. Now continue, and then you should see a folder, and once you tap this one, here are the list of the fonts that you have downloaded. Now in order for it to install, you have to click each and then double tap the font, tap on install. Another way is that if you haven't extracted the file, you just have to right click the file, extract all, and after that, you should see the font right here. In order for you to add this to your device or to your laptop, what you're going to do is you have to simply right click to your windows outside. So let me right click and then scroll down, tap on personalize, scroll down again here, and then look for fonts. Now what you're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to drag the font that I have installed earlier. So in order for me to do that, I have to tap the folder, look for that font, and then drag it right here. Once done, then what you're going to do is you have to go to the search icon and then search for that specific font that you have added and see if you have installed this font also to your device. So these are the few ways or steps on how to install fonts on Windows PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.